Hello everyone, I hope everyone is well. It's Lucia at Lushspaces, and I'm just about to open up a box from Farmer Gracie that I received with bulbs and peonies. So I just wanted to bring you along and show you what's included in the package, and also what I'm thinking about planting this year. What I will be planting this year for next year. Right, so this is one of the boxes. Let me just get rid of this. I got another one, but I will do another video about that later on. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is really nice, and it's delivered quite quickly. I've ordered these some time back, probably like end of August, September, and they have arrived a week or 2 weeks ago. And obviously I would not plant these earlier because I wanted to plant everything kind of in one go. So I was waiting for the tulips bulb to be planted, so I will plant everything together at the same time. Anyways, not to ramble, the packaging is beautiful. Everyone on Instagram and everywhere is just like in the hype of this. Everyone's posting, so have a look. It has this little packet, and it's so nice with a golden sticker and everything. And I'm ordering bulbs from Farmer Gracie for the first time, to be honest, this year. But as I said, I've seen all the hype around, and I really like it. And she's also got YouTube channel, she's got Instagram page, so she's giving a lot of information and details about everything and all the plants on her social media as well. So there is always help. So she posts these little notes and postcards. This one is for discount for next order, which I obviously haven't realized early enough before I was buying more bulbs, but I might use it because it's up until the end of this year, I think. So I definitely will be making more orders. So it's so beautiful. Lovely postcards of plants and flowers that you can send to anyone. Another one. This is done by Esther McLeod, however you pronounce it. So pretty. Again, another postcard. Another one of lovely anemone. I love looking at the details of plants. I can never make such nice pictures, but I love looking them up very close. And then she also gives you guides of kind of the majority of the plants that you've ordered. So I've ordered anemones, so she includes these little brochures about the anemones, also like planting basics and instructions for planting, and any of her tips to help you on the journey. So pretty. So I got anemones, I got peonies because I've ordered some, again the same, and ranunculus, and again it's got the same kind of thing. You get the gist. Then she also includes the order and the sum up of everything, which is very handy because you can keep keep it for your record, and you can also make little notes on these. And if you guys want to look everything up, this is basically what I've ordered. And she is running a lot of different deals and sales, so it's always there's always something there that you can get for a good price. And then she always includes these tote bags. I think actually she includes them for the orders above £50. So one like this, which are very handy. I mean, you can use it for your shopping. I most likely will use it for my gardening stuff. Very nice. Or you can give it away. And yeah, this is the order. So everything is packed very nicely, and you guys should plan this as soon as you get it. But obviously I was waiting for the right timing, and I also have to kind of plan around what I'm gonna put where, so I get the most out of my space. And yeah, as you know, this is my first year of kind of micro flower farming, so I'm trying things out. I have some peonies which were already in a garden that is existing when we moved in, but I've ordered I think 12 more. So I got I think 2 of Bowl of Beauty, and these are basically like a bowl dark pink peony with yellow kind of fluffy middle. Beautiful. So they'll be very good for pollinators, and some of them are already kind of sprouted, so I really have to be careful. Like as you can see, these are sprouts, and I do want to record a video when I'm actually planting them, so you will know how to plant. Buckeye Bell is very dark red, very dark purple red almost, with a lovely bright eye. Beautiful one, again very good for these pollinators. Madame Emile de Batten, however you pronounce it again. I think this one was very fluffy pink one, very frilly fluffy one. Beautiful. Coral Charm. This one is basically a corally one, kind of salmon color, which is going to be beautiful. And Color Burst. So this is basically her peony collection, which is called Color Burst, and it includes the usual, so the white, the pinks, the purple, and the red. So that's a very good one if you wanted one of each, or like the usual collection, but then just the specific ones. Another Madame Emile de Batten, and these are the ranunculus and anemone. So Tomer mix of ranunculus. This is basically a mix of again shades of red, yellow, peachy, pink, white, so a very good mixture. Ranunculus Viola, Elegance Viola. This is more like violet color, so quite dark pink, purple, burgundy. Very nice one. Ranunculus Elegance Striato Bianco. This is a white one with pink or purple edges. Very frilly, beautiful one. I think this is very popular, and I cannot wait to see them all. Ranunculus Elegance Malva is kind of mauvey color, so very, I mean, something in between obviously pink and purple, so very light purpley shade, kind of mauvey. Is it all from Ranunculus? Yeah, I think. Then we have Anemone, Mistral, blue. So this one is blue, purple. Bianco Centro Nero, obviously white with black dark center, beautiful. This one is very, very popular with florists, and you can find it in bouquets a lot. Can't wait. Galilee Pastel Mix, again mix of, well, you can see pink, purple, white and peach. Again, very good if you wanted multiple colors. And what else did we get? Iris Hollandica Tiger Mix. So this is a Dutch iris, which has, again, it's a mix, so it's got kind of rusty coppery colors, yellows, blues and purples. So beautiful. Spanish bluebells, because these will look very nice and kind of springy in bouquets. So I got these because I don't have any in the garden. And then bridal crown daffodils. So these are obviously multiple small flowers on one stem, very frilly white with yellow orangey center, and they are nicely scented as well. Because I do have daffodils, but more of the kind of traditional ones, which I love. But I wanted something nice scented and kind of white and kind of smaller than the usual big flower. So yeah, that's all for the Farmer Gracie unpacking. And as I said, I'll be recording videos of when I'm actually planting it, so you won't miss out on anything. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go ahead and look up all the bulbs and roots that I got. They are beautiful plants, so I hope you got you inspired. I again apologize for the quality of the video. It was just really on the whims of me trying to obviously record this before I start planting, so you also have an idea of what I'm up to and how the flower farm will be looking next year. So hope you enjoyed it. You take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and also like the video, and also comment, put any comments down in the comment box. Let me know what you're planting, let me know how you're doing with your autumn planting. If you liked any of the plants or bulbs that I showed you, let me know, and we can maybe chat about it. And yeah, it would be really nice to see comments from you guys. Thank you again, and have a good day. Bye bye.